Do you believe that GoPro is losing ground against 360-degree action cameras? Since the GoPro Max 2 has been keenly awaited like its predecessor, Insta360 has been shocking the world with some mind-blowing 360 cameras with outstanding features. Moreover, 3 years have passed since the launch of GoPro's newest product, the GoPro Hero 11, which replaced the original GoPro Max. We anticipated a makeover for the Max line in September 2022 as well. Sadly, despite the publication of Hero 11, the aspirations for a revival of the Max series were not realized. Let's discuss the GoPro Max 2's release date and what to anticipate from it in this video. Today, first let's talk about the design. GoPro has maintained remarkable consistency in the design of its Hero lineup, adhering to a highly successful camera design for the past 6 to 7 product releases. In contrast with the initial introduction of the GoPro Fusion in 2017. Subsequently, the GoPro Max followed suit, featuring a similar design but with the addition of a color screen. This inclusion aligned with GoPro's consistent approach in equipping their action cameras from the Hero line with color LCDs. Notably, the GoPro Max stood as the pioneering camera to feature an LCD screen, which was later adopted by the GoPro Hero 9 a year later. Considering GoPro's design history, it is likely that we should not anticipate any significant changes in the upcoming GoPro Max 2. Currently, the GoPro Max captures videos at a resolution of 6K. But once the footage is stitched together, the final resolution is reduced to 5.6K. Unfortunately, the maximum frame rate is limited to 30 FPS, which can be disappointing for those seeking to slow down videos during post-production. As there is no default slow motion feature available, however, with the upcoming GoPro Max 2 we might witness significant improvements in terms of camera sensor and lens, possibly even incorporating mods. This could potentially elevate the specifications, leading to a final resolution of 5, 7K or even 6K after stitching. Along with a potential frame rate boost to 60 FPS, it's worth noting that exceeding 6K resolution would pose challenges in post-production, particularly when editing on mobile devices, due to the huge file size. Additionally, the GoPro Max 2 might offer native slow-mo recording capabilities at higher frame rates, potentially reaching 120 FPS or even higher, enabling better slow-motion captures. Addressing the issue of lens refraction when used underwater is also a problem that we hope the GoPro Max 2 will tackle it to resolve. Introduced in 2018 with HyperSmooth 2.0, the GoPro Max made significant advancements in stabilization technology. However, the most recent addition to the Hero line, the Hero 11, now boasts the impressive HyperSmooth 5.0, which surpasses its predecessors by a notable margin. Therefore, it is highly probable that the upcoming GoPro Max 2 will introduce the next iteration HyperSmooth 5.0, taking the stabilization capabilities to new heights. Now, to achieve higher frame rates, a more advanced processor is required in the GoPro Max 2, compared to its predecessor. Fortunately, GoPro already incorporates a superior processor, the GoPro GP2, and some of its other camera models. It is highly unlikely that the GoPro Max 2 will benefit from this processor, ensuring improved performance. While there is a possibility of a GoPro GP3 being introduced in 2023, it seems less probable at this point. The GoPro GP2 was introduced as recently as 2021, and GoPro typically transitions to newer silicon only after maximizing the potential of the existing chipset. For reference, the GoPro GP1 made its debut with a GoPro Hero 6 Black in 2017, and continued to be utilized until the Hero 10 Black in 2021, highlighting GoPro's approach to chipset longevity. As for the release date, considering GoPro's historical patterns, it appears that the camera will be unveiled before September 2023. In short, with Insta360 currently holding a strong grip on the 360 action camera market, GoPro finds itself in need of breakthrough innovation to regain its competitive edge. The details surrounding the highly anticipated GoPro Max to remain veiled in secrecy, leaving enthusiasts and consumers eager to uncover its innovations and features. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.